everyone. In this video, I'm going to guide you how to change postage detail on Vinted. So let's get started. Number 1. Open the Vinted app. Launch the Vinted application on your smartphone and log into your account with your credentials. Number 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Number 3. Access account settings. In your profile, select Account Settings or Settings to manage your account details. Number 4. Select Postage Settings. Find and tap on the Postage option to view your current postage settings. Number 5. Edit Postage Detail. Choose the postage method or details you want to change and update them as necessary. Number 6. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes to update your postage details. Your new postage details will now be reflected on your Vinted account. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel.